Hello dear friends, today we are going to see pharmacoeconomics. What is pharmacoeconomics? Pharmacoeconomics is a basically branch of economics. It is related to the health economics in which we compare the cost and outcome of various pharmaceutical product and treatment strategies. In this type of analysis, we try to maximize the value of medicines for patients, healthcare payers, as well as society, as the resources are becoming scarce day by day. Pharmacoeconomic studies will serve as a guide for optimization of healthcare resources allocation in standardized and a scientifically grounded manner. Here we compare the cost and the effect of the treatment. Cost is monetary value, while the effect of a pharmaceutical product is therapeutic efficacy and how the quality of life is improved. Here we made efforts in order to protect the vulnerable population of the society from financial hardships. Pharmacists ensure that provision of cost effective healthcare through rational use of medical product and modern technologies. Pharmacist expertise used to reduce preventive medication related problems, providing cheaper alternatives or suggesting medicines like generic drugs that are covered by the insurance. That includes cost benefits, cost effectiveness, cost minimization, and cost utility. We'll discuss in detail later about these points. It helps to make clinical decisions, it provides the cost effective choice when the resources are limited for the provider, third party payer, as well as the patient. Pharmacoeconomics is useful for justification of the clinical service that includes investment and reimbursement. You might be knowing about hospital formulary. It is a book prepared by a hospital where a list of drug is available that is prescribed in the hospital. So inclusion and exclusion of the drugs can be decided using pharmacoeconomical parameters. Pharmacoeconomics allows us to prepare drug policies and the decisions can be taken based on that. It provides a guideline for the treatment while purchasing medicines or the different technologies for healthcare. The negotiation can be done, that is planned as well as executed. It provides a guide for pricing of the pharmaceutical product. The assessment of ADR, that is adverse drug reaction, can be carried out in order to efficiently carry out the pharmacovigilance. It reduces the negative consequences related to the drugs and in the national health system. It provides a broader perspective in the drug as well as disease, medical and financial implication. The budget optimization is possible with the pharmacoeconomics, which is required for the treatment without putting heavy cost burden on the patient. Medication prescribing we can optimize using 4 points: efficacy, suitability, price, safety, with the help of cost analysis studies. Okay. The pharmacoeconomics is helpful in finding alternative treatment plans. It reveals the newer drugs which could be more cost effective and therapeutically efficient, so we can use them instead of the old one. It helps to generate good prescription practice, allowing the doctors, physician to prescribe the beneficial and cost effective medicine. It helps to include new drugs in the reimbursement and insurance schemes. It helps to design health insurance benefit and coverage of treatment cost at the level of private medical systems. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much. We'll meet in the next video about the different definitions of the pharmacoeconomics. Thank you. Thank you very much.